In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on app lock. To activate it, use gray sweater next to app lock feature. If you don't have privacy password already, you need to set it up to use app lock. To do it now, hit settings in set up privacy password first. Then tap on use a different password type and pick a perfect one for your apps. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, you need to create your login method. Then repeat it to confirm it. Set up recovery email and hit confirm in the pop-up. Then answer this security question. If you don't like it, tap on it and pick one of those, or click on custom question and create your own. Remember to answer it correctly below. And then hit this check mark at the top right corner. Finally, to lock any app, hit gray sweater next to it. Then go back. So now when I try to access my locked app, I can see that privacy password is required. To disable app lock from any of your apps, go back to the same settings, click on app lock, enter privacy password and click on no blue sweater next to your app. To disable app lock completely, click on blue sweater next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!